Yoga Nidra. The Nidra of a yogi. Nidra means sleep, deep sleep. A yogi doesn't require any help of the Nidra, dream, sleep. The need of the sleep is for the physical frame, not for the yogi. We are not the physical frame to go in deep sleep. We are the soul, the Atman, the Brahm. How to do this Yoga Nidra, the sleep of a yogi? It is like this. I shall utter the name of an organ, starting from the right foot, from the right thumb, gradually coming up to the right hip, right toe, the next one, the middle one, the innominate toe, the last, then coming gradually to the foot, the calf, the thigh, and accordingly to the hip. In the same way, start with the left toe and come to the left hip. Then come to the right hand, starting from the right thumb, gradually taking all the fingers and coming to the right shoulder, one by one, along with the organs. Then start from the left thumb, gradually to the left shoulder. Then start from the first plexus, gradually coming up to the center of the temple. This is the Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra, the sleep of a yogi. Right foot, right toe, Dakshinangushta, all attention in the right toe. Second toe, Tarjani, middle toe, Madhyama, innominate toe, Anamika, little toe, Kanishthika, right forefoot, all attention in the forefoot. Dakshina Padatala, right heel, Dakshina Parshini, right ankle, Dakshina Gulfa, right calf, Dakshina Pindika, right knee, right thigh, Uru, Uru tadasya yadvaisha, padabhyam shudro ajayat. Right hip, all attention, right hip, Kati. Then come to the left foot, all attention in the left toe, Vamangushta. The second toe, Tarjani. Now the middle toe, Madhyama. All attention in the middle toe of the left foot. Innominate toe, Anamika. Little toe in the left foot, Kanishthika. Left forefoot, Vamapadatala. Now come to the left heel, Vamaparshini. All attention there. Left ankle, Vamagulpa. Then come to the left calf, Vamapindika. Left knee, Janu. The meditation of Bhagwan Ram. Dhyayet Ajanubahum Dhritasharadhanusham Baddha Padmasanastham. A bit of left thigh, Uru. Uru Tadasya Dvaisha Padabhyam Shudro Ajayata. Left hip. All attention in the left hip. Kati. Now come to the right hand. All attention in the right thumb. Dakshinangushta. Think that the divine Purusha is in the right thumb. Angushtamatra Purushaha. This Angushtamatra Purush travels in the whole cosmos within no time. He is of a smoky color. Angushtamatra Purushaha. Then the next finger, pointer, Tarjani. Tarjani. Next finger, middle finger in the right palm. The next one, illuminate finger, Anamika. The little finger in the right palm, Kanishthika. The right palm, Dakshina Karatala. Karacharana kritam va kayayam karmayam va Shravana nayanajam va manasam va paradham Vihitam avihitam va sarvametat kshamasva Jai Jai Karunabdhe Shri Mahadeva Shambhu. The right wrist, Manibandha, a bit up. The right elbow, Kurpara. Right biceps, all attention in the biceps. Bahu, Bahu Rajanya Krita. Uru Tadasya Yadvaisha. Padabhyam Shudru Ajayat. Now come to the right shoulder. Dakshina Skandha, the seat of the Chitragupta. Whatever deeds we do in our life, they are recorded somewhere unknowingly. They are called as Chitragupta. One has to suffer the consequences of the deeds he functions. Therefore, we should do good deeds in our life, should not hurt others, mentally as well as physically. Satkarma yoge vayaghalavave sarvamukhi mangala bolavave. The center of good deeds, the right shoulder. Now come to the left hand. The left thumb, all attention in the left thumb. Again think of the Angushtamatra Purush in the left thumb. This Angushtamatra Purush knows the past, present as well as future. Therefore he is termed as Ishvaraha, Ishanaha in the Upanishads. Sa Ishanaha. Now come to the pointer in the left palm. Pointer, Tarjani. The next middle finger in the left palm. Madhyama, the next one, innominate finger, Anamika, the little finger in the left palm, Kanishthika, the left palm, Vamakaratala, Karacharana kritam va kayajam karmajam va Shravana nayanajam va manasam va paradham Vitam avitam va sarvame tatsyamasva Jai Jai Karunabhe Shri Mahadeva Shambhu. O Lord Mahadeva Shiva, excuse us for our bad deeds committed by our organs, knowingly or unknowingly. Left wrist, Vama Madibandha, a bit up. Left elbow, Vamakurpara. Left biceps, Vamabahu. Bahu Rajanya Krita. Uru Tadasya Yadvaisha. Padabhyam Shudru Ajayata. The left shoulder, All attention in the left shoulder. Again the seat of the Chitragupta. Whatever deeds we do, they are recorded somewhere, knowingly or unknowingly. The deeds we function, we have to suffer their consequences today or tomorrow. This is not a fiction, but it is the rule of the deeds. Therefore you should do good deeds, benevolent deeds. The religion, the duty of a man is only benevolence, help others. Should not trouble mentally or physically any person, right from a man to the ant, all are one. Benevolence is the religion of a human being. Paropakaraya punyaya papaya parapidanam. Paropakara, benevolence, compassion, that is the religion. All these religions is nothing but only fictional ideas, territorial conceptions. Now come to the first plexus, just above the anus. Muladhara. The Kundalini, the serpent power is fixed there. The switch of the Kundalini, serpent power is there. Concentration there releases the serpent power upwards, and the yogi can experience deep samadhi, trance, completeness. The whole cosmos is there. Tvam Brahma, Tvam Vishnu, Tvam Rudra, Tvam Indra, Tvam Agni, Tvam Vayu, Tvam Surya, Tvam Chandrama, Tvam Brahma Bhurvasvaro. The whole cosmos, the suns and the moons, the whole galaxy, it is present there. The yogis always concentrate their mind in the first plexus, Muladhara. A bit up, navel. All attention in navel. Nabhi. Nabhi chakre kayuyuh jnanam. Now come to the heart, center of the chest. The God exists in the hearts of every being. Man, animals, and everything. Therefore we should love the God through the hearts of every being. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hridesejuna tishtati brahmayan sarva bhutani yantrarudhani maya. No one is great because of only wealth, health, or fame. Everyone is the same. God exists everywhere. Animate, inanimate things also. A bit up, throat, kantham, the seat of Lord Shiva. Kantham girisho vatu nilakantha. chin, Hanum. Only the man has got a chin, Hanum, in all the animal kingdom. Therefore, the man is termed as Hanuman in Ramayana. The deity of the Lord God, Hanuman. A bit up, mouth, mukham. In the mukha, mouth, the Brahmin exists. Brahmanasya mukham asit bahu rajanya krita uru tadasya dvaisha padabhyam shudro ajayata. One who knows the Brahma, the whole reality, the existence par excellence, is termed as a Brahmin. Brahma janati brahmana. Everyone in the Vedic tradition has the right to become a Brahmin through good deeds and good thoughts. The nose, nasika. Great yogis can remain without respiration for hours together. The right cheek, Dakshina Kapul, the left cheek, Vama Kapul, the right ear, Dakshina Karna. Now hear the divine sounds. A sound of a bell, flute, drum, the sound of the waves of the sea, sound of the clouds. बाजत अनहत ढोलरे तो को राम मिलेंगे. Left ear, Vama Karna. Again those heavenly sounds, hear them. The heavenly sounds can easily betake a person to the existence of a Lord. But a person before that has to remove his egoism, selfishness, and nations. घूंघट का पट खोल रे तुको पिया मिलेंगे राम मिलेंगे. घूंघट का पट खोल. The right eye, Nayana, eye. Now perceive those divine lights and formations which you cannot perceive in the mundane world. Left eye, Vama Nayana, eye, Nayana. Again those divine lights. Perceive them. Bru Madhya, center of the eyebrows. All attention in the eyebrows. That is the most important seat in the whole physical frame. Concentration there brings you all the knowledge automatically. To acquire the knowledge, the reading of books is not needed. Books bring you information, not knowledge. Knowledge comes to you automatically through concentration in the eyebrows, center of the eyebrows. If we concentrate there, we can know our past birth. Where were we? What were we? At the time of our death, our spirit, Jivatma, comes up and deserts our physical frame through this threshold. Whatever deeds we do in our life, good or bad, the Jivatma, the spirit, has to travel accordingly. Good deeds, good passage. Devayan Marg. Bad deeds, bad passage, result after death. This is not only a conception or a fictional idea, but it's a rule there. One has to suffer. The forehead, Kapalam, the Brahma, the Creator, writes something on our forehead. According to the deeds we function. Then come to the last point, Sahasrar, center in the temple. All concentration there. The concentration there brings a yogi the actual experience that he is the whole cosmos, he is the God himself. Sarvam khalu idam brahma nehana nasti kinchana. There is nothing in the world except the Lord. All Lord and Lord. Omnipotence. Sarvam khalu idam brahma nehana nasti kinchana. All cosmos is there. I am the cosmos, I am the existence at large. Brahmarpanam brahmahavihi brahmagno brahmanahutam brahmaiva tena gantavyam Brahma karma samadhina. All is Brahma, the omnipotence, the Lord, the completeness in itself. I am the whole world, the existence. Avaghe Vishwachi Maje Ghar ऐसी दयाची मति स्थिर किंबहुना चराचर आपणची दाहला. The great saint and yogi Gyaneshwar Maharaj says this. I am the cosmos, I am the existence at large. Now I am completeness in itself. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. I am not the physical frame, but I am the soul, the Lord Himself. Yes, I am the Lord Himself. A human being has got that ability to become the Lord Himself through right deeds and sadhanas. I am not the physical frame, I am the Lord. प्रातः स्मरामि हृदि संस्फुरदात्मतत्त्वम् सच्चित् सुखम् परमहंसगतिम् तुरीयम् यत् स्वप्नजागरसुषुप्तिमवैकनित्यम् तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमहम् न च भूतसङ्घः I am the soul Brahma, the creator of the creation. I am that. Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. I am that, the Brahma, the whole, the creator. Harihi Om.